Did you know that the Quran doesn't just command us to fast, but it actually gives us the exact hidden blueprint to survive it? I'm going to try and find the best fasting tips from the Quran. Let's see what I discover. Welcome back. Today, we aren't just talking about holding back hunger. We're unlocking the timeless 1400-year-old wisdom of the Quran to see how it provides a holistic survival guide for our fasting days, healing our bodies while strengthening our faith. Let's be honest, fasting can be hard. The midday energy crash, the intense thirst, that lingering brain fog that makes it so difficult to focus. We've all been there. But why do we struggle so much? Often, it's because we treat fasting purely as a physical marathon of endurance. We focus entirely on the empty stomach, counting down the hours until iftar. The Quran addresses this exact struggle. It shifts our perspective from what we're losing, food and water, to what we're gaining. The challenge isn't just the physical exhaustion, it's the mindset. And when we look closely, the Quran offers profound solutions to completely rewire how we experience this fatigue, transforming it from a daily struggle into a source of deep spiritual energy. Look at Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 185. Allah says, "Allah intends for you ease and does not intend for you hardship." Think about that. The Creator is telling us that the ultimate goal of depriving our bodies is actually ease. How? By detaching us from our worldly dependencies. Furthermore, when the Quran repeatedly advises us to eat of the halal and the tayyib, the lawful and the pure, it's a direct tip for suhoor and iftar. Nourishing our bodies with wholesome, pure foods rather than overindulging in heavy meals prevents that terrible energy crash. The Quran teaches us that true strength doesn't just come from what we consume, but from the spiritual resilience we build when we practice restraint. But here is the most powerful secret the Quran reveals about fasting, the climax of it all. In verse 183 of Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah gives us the ultimate reason for fasting, that you may become righteous, or in Arabic, la'alakum tatakun. Taqwa, God consciousness. This is the ultimate tip. When you feel that sharp hunger pang, it's not a signal to suffer, it's a physical alarm clock reminding you of Allah. Embracing taqwa transforms the entire experience. The thirst isn't just thirst anymore, it's a badge of honor. The hunger isn't a weakness, it becomes a shield. When you make taqwa your goal, the physical challenges fade into the background, and a profound, unshakable spiritual strength takes over. You are no longer starving, you are elevating. So, shift your mindset. Seek the ease promised in the Quran. Nourish yourself with what is pure, and let every pang of hunger be a beautiful reminder to build your taqwa. Fasting isn't a burden, it is a divine gift for your soul. I'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite Quranic fasting tip or verse that helps you push through? Let me know in the comments below. And if this brought peace to your heart, don't forget to subscribe to the Sabr Soul for more reflections. Until next time.